guys, welcome back to another video. I am outside of my room by my door because I'm going to do a room tour today, and let's do it. Okay, so let's open the door to my room. Okay. So when you come in, there's just a random dog usually sitting right there. I have my bulletin board with just pictures of family and friends and some cross-country medals. And then I have a mustache on my door. Then I have my fun little lamp that can change different colors and it can move all around. This is my dresser. It's blue with some wallpaper stuff on each of the drawers. I have this adorable little bunny thing to like put your jewelry on and stuff, and it's just so cute. And then in here, this is from Vera Bradley. I just keep some thumbtacks in there. Then I have my cute little car. Then I have my miniature dresser on top of my big dresser. And it has a little mirror. Here is me. Hi. Okay, and then I have my flower decoration here. This is actually a headband, but I just use it for a decoration mostly. Then I have my miniature stuff on top of my miniature dresser. Here is my miniature Buddha. And I have some vegan miniature burritos, or they could be enchiladas as well. I have my miniature peacock, my miniature vegan tacos, and my miniature car. Then moving on to the next thing on top of my dresser, I have a little container that I keep some earrings in. Then I have my jewelry box. And then I have another container right here I keep bobby pins and hair ties in and stuff like that. Then I have my picture with my sister right here. Then behind the picture, I have my guitar pick. And yes, this is in a old Apple earbud container, but I mean, it works. Above the dresser, I have my name that was painted. We got it from Chicago, or in Chicago. And then I have some butterflies right here. And I have my A wall. I don't know, I just kind of started collecting A's instead of M's because Amanda's my real name, not Mandy. This one you can light up. My thumb is in the picture. Okay. I have my guitar down here, and no, I am not like a good guitar player or anything. I just play for fun. I've taught myself a few chords, and that's pretty much it. And I hope to someday be able to play songs on it, but right now I'm just kind of messing around on it, just teaching myself a few chords occasionally. And then I also have my file box right here. I have my desk, and you can just pull out my pink chair like that. Then I have my little old computer here. I have my mini speaker and a little box of pencils and pens and highlighters and all that. Here are my curtains, and I have some flower lights. If you couldn't tell already, I love flowers. Then we come over to this little shelf type thing.
Cactus I got from the Grand Canyon, or not from the Grand Canyon, but we were on our way to the Grand Canyon. I got that. I have a picture of my old dog. Her name is Shelby. And I have this cute little vase, mini vase type thing. Then down here I have a little container box thing that you can just pull out like that. Then I have some other books. These are my yearbooks. Here is a book that was cut out to an M for my name. And I have my candy collection. Yay, okay. And then my quarter collection. Sorry if the camera's kind of shaky. So yeah.
And then up here, did this one for me. And then I painted this one. Then we have a blank one right here. So yeah. Then I have my globe that can light up. And I have my little ladybug container. So cute, and I love this box. Random crap from here and there to there and here. Here I have a map, and I put with little flags of all the places I've been to in the United States. Then I have my little sticker wall thing. Oh my gosh, my video is already up to 8 minutes. And then I have my flower bedspread. I am obsessed with these pillows. Other side of my bed, I have my nightstand with these drawers. I have my little Lucky Cat, I think it's called a Lucky Cat, from Chinatown in California. And I have my lamp. I love this lamp so much. It's so cute. I have my flower coaster, and I have my alarm clock. Next, I have my calendar, my sloth calendar. So all the pages have sloths on them. I love sloths so much. Then I have my necklace holder. I hang all my necklaces on the Eiffel Tower. And then I have 2 more boxes like this on my shelf. And I have a fake book. Oh, you thought this was a book? No, it ain't. Haha, I tricked you. Probably not. Okay. Then I have my closet. Let's open my closet. Pretty small, so I just have my... Oh, I keep on putting my fingers in the camera shot. Okay, sorry about that. So I have my clothes. I have some storage up there. Then I have my shoes down here. My little bag. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see in here, but I have like a little bag right here. Then I have my drawer with hats in them, my drawer with corks in them, because I drink a lot, you know. I'm just kidding. I actually collect corks because I want to make a bulletin board with corks someday. I have a bag of not a bag of bags, a drawer full of bags and purses. And then this is kind of my drawer with like just random things, like I don't know, just things I don't know where to put but I still sometimes use. Then my drawer with like perfume and deodorant and lotion and everything like that. I have my rock collection. Oh, the clothes are in the way. I have my rock collection drawer because I like rocks and I kind of collect them occasionally. And then I have my jewelry drawer, just some jewelry that I don't really wear all the time, but I still wanted to keep. And then I have my mirror. Hello, here is me. Hi, okay. I have a little decoration. And then above here I have some more flower decorations. Across another flower decoration. Then I have my name and what it means in Latin. Above my door, A, made out of a horseshoe, my grandpa made. So this was my room tour, and I hope you all enjoyed. And oh my gosh, this video is 14 minutes. I'll edit it and hopefully it will be less. But anyways, hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in another I cannot talk today. I will see you in another video. Bye guys.